right here in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. So Sabrina, is that enough birds for you?
No, that's only one species, 1,000.
That's right. So I think it's time we meet some special friends of the park. Everyone look up to your left and to your right, and let's welcome.
Well done, CK. Alright, so CK here can be found in certain parts of Indonesia known as the Moluccas Island. CK here is also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of the color of their crest, and CK is 20 years old.
Now parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. They'll take advantage of abandoned tree cavities just like this one right over here to build their nest.
And speaking about nest materials, they use are items such as leaves, twigs, and even tree barks. Now the tree cavity happens to be very small. They will use a strong and powerful beaks to enlarge them. So what are we waiting for? Let's see these birds in action. Can you see, Kate?
Once again, right over here. Good job.
Alright, and Higgins, you can join us now. Very good.
So if you want to see what it looks like from the inside, just take a look at the screen. Come on, right here. This cage.
Oh, look, that's Ziggy over there.
You put it in here. Right side. Come on. A little bit more. Feels like he's not feeling like it. Today, let's try one more time. Inside. Good job. Again. Alright, good job. Okay, so you should know this, but it's okay. You just stand there and let me prove it to you, alright? And then you want to turn around? Alright. Can you do the rooster? You believe me now, Sophia?
Fine, rooster, I believe you.
Everyone, meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Now Quincy, before you mimic other animal sounds, there's something I have to say to everyone. Do you catch what he said? Quincy said, welcome to paradise. Let's hear that one more time, shall we? Quincy, welcome them. Welcome to paradise. Alright, so Quincy, you did the sound of the rooster. Can you do another animal sound? Can you do the sound of the cat? A very fierce cat. Okay, how about more high-tech sound this time? What about the sound of the telephone? Good job, Quincy. Can you give it up for Quincy, everyone?
So you see, ladies and gentlemen, these birds tend to imitate and copy the sounds that are made by their families. If they happen to make human sounds, they're simply copying the sounds that they hear around them.
That's right. So for Quincy and Amigo's case, their families are the Mandai star.
Hello, Mandai star. Okay, so we've got a yellow-named Amazon parrot. Let's see what he has for us today, okay? I want to start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Hello. Nice and sweet hello. So, I think he wants to introduce himself first. Can you tell them your name? Amigo! Did you catch that? Amigo! Let's do this one more time. Okay, what's your name? Amigo! Amigo it is. Now, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you? So how are you feeling today? Good? Wow, that's very nice to hear. Okay, Amigo here is very talented because he loves to sing as well. Now, any chance that any one of you celebrating your birthdays today? Put up your hands, birthdays. Any birthdays in the crowd? Let me see. Okay, oh, you're up there. See, 1, 2. Anyone else? 3. Another young lady. Okay, I hope I did not miss out on anyone else. Amigo, you know what to do, right? Before that, let's just wait for the pathway to be cleared and everyone to remain seated as bird might be flying very low above your heads, okay? Alright, looks like we're all set. Now everyone keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great hornbill. There you go. Good afternoon, Vicky. So ladies and gentlemen, hornbills in general, they can be found in Africa and Asia. Great pied hornbills are actually one of the largest species of hornbill that you can find in this region. So here's a fun fact: in Borneo, where hornbills can be found, the villagers have believed if they happen to see a hornbill flying over an area, even their village, they are known to be blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? Now, female hornbills, they are very, very fussy about their accommodation. It needs to be spacious and it needs to have a chimney at the top so that they can escape if they need to. Look, she went inside. Now this is when the male hornbill will then bring her mud. She'll mix those with mashed meat and even her own droppings to create a strong seal. Now speaking about her mate, let's welcome, shall we? Keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Sunny, another great pied hornbill.
So now what Sunny is doing is he's getting food to feed Vicky through the small gap down in the wild. The male hornbill will feed the female hornbill and their chick for up to about 5 months. And there he goes. So if you're not able to see this loving gesture, not to worry, just take a look at the screen. So here we have the female.
Head to Africa!
Let's go! So here we are, driving through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. Now before we invite the next bird out, I will need everyone's full cooperation to please remain seated and keep your hands down at all times. I repeat, please remain seated and keep your hands down at all times. And if you're holding on to selfie sticks, please lower them down as well.
Okay, looks like everyone is settled. Now ladies and gentlemen, we are here to see a very special bird that can be found in ponds, lakes and lagoons in southern Arabia and Africa. I'm talking about the pink-backed pelican.
Wow. So these birds will live with other birds and scoop up prey using their massive bills and throat pouches.
Down. Thank you very much. Now these birds can actually travel from 1 to 12 for 24 hours without even stopping. This is because they're large but they are lightweight.
Large indeed, their wingspan from wingtip to wingtip can reach up to 9 feet long, and that is about this long.
Looks like Rose says, once again, remain seated. Thank you very much. There you go. Let's get up for Rose, ladies and gentlemen. And fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. Now, in fact, they are the strongest creatures that you can ever find in this planet. And that is why, as a birder, I love traveling continents just to see them. But
yes.
You know what will be amazing for all of us here, especially me?
What's that, Sabrina?
Right here, right now.
Well, guess what, Sabrina? You're in luck because we can see them right now. Come on, let's say follow me. Yes, let's go. beautiful wings of the world. Thank you for joining us on our amazing adventure. We hope you had a great time and
Happy birthday!